Thought some time alone was what we really needed. You said this time would hurt more. No. I don't feel like a few of you in here know what's really going on at this point right now. Shout out my auntie Doche in the building. Shout out my mom. Shout out both my sisters, Charlene and Shreen in here. You know, I seen Janelle. I thought I saw Track Dilla. You know, shout out Jamil. Shout out anyone who's just in here with me right now, you know, on the whole quarantine good vibes thing, you know. It's unfortunate we're in here right now, but, you know, it's a time for self-reflection, good tunes, some quarantine slow jams. I'm Mark. This is Night Owl Sound. This is how we live our life. Thought some time alone was what we really needed. You said this time would hurt more than it helps, but I couldn't see that. I thought it was the end of a beautiful story, and so I left the one I love at home to be alone. And I tried and Bomba Clot Diablo Free. Mommy, I'm sorry for swearing again. I'm sorry. But yo, half a walk on, don't know happy earth strong is it. Pull up again one more time. Tune after Bomba Clot. Thought some time alone was what we really needed. You said this time would hurt more than it helps, but I couldn't see that. I thought it was the end of a beautiful story, and so I left the one I love at home to be alone. And I tried and found out this one thing is true, that I'm nothing without you. I know better now, and I've had a change of heart. I'd rather have bad times with you than good times with someone else. I'd rather be beside you in a storm than safe and warm by myself. I'd rather have hard times together than to have it easy apart. I'd rather have the one who holds my heart. And then I met someone and thought she could replace you. We got along just fine, but wasted time because she was not you. We had a lot of fun, though we knew we were mommy, you're still in here. Just know, say, you know, the road life didn't, you know, damage me too much. I'm still romantic. I'm still a sweet boy at heart. You know, I like to send flowers and chocolates and them type of thing. You know, I like to buy my girl gifts and lingerie, you know. I want her to feel nice and special and sexy. Mommy, the road hasn't ruined me. I know it's enough gal out there on the road, you know, mommy. I fling them crotches left, right, and center. I know, mommy. I'm sorry, but I'm still a soft. I'm still romantic. You see it, I go. There's only you in my life, the only thing that's right.